Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make photo collage in Samsung. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the gallery app. Click on the three dots, select create, then select collage. Go ahead and select the number of photos you want to use to create photo collage. And then after that, click on collage. Then it should say the photo collage like this. Go ahead and select the photo collage format you want to use. And then you can change the aspect ratio. If you want to change to wallpaper type, go ahead and do just that. Then if you want to increase the size or reduce the size, if you want to add round shape to it, and once you are satisfied with the photo collage you created, go ahead and click on save at the top right. Then it should say please wait. Photo collage is saved. Now go back to the gallery. On your gallery, then go ahead and find the photo collage you just created. And then you're good. You see that? So that's exactly how to create photo collage in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.